In today's video, we'll be covering the Chameleon function. Stay tuned. The Chameleon function is a unique feature built into the app that utilizes the phone's camera to scan paint, a shirt, shoes, whatever it may be, and display that color on your LEDs. So all you need to do is open up the app, ensure that you're connected to the controller, select the zone or the group that you want to change, hit the Chameleon button, it's going to turn on the phone's camera, and then you just direct the camera. So we've got teal, green, orange, and pink. When you get the color you want, all you need to do is hit the bottom Chameleon button and it locks in. Now we can also set this as our default color. Hit the plus sign in the corner and click Set as Default. Startup theme. So next time the controller turns back on, it's going to automatically go to that color that you set. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to stay up to date with XKGLOW. We'll see you next time.